So over here you can see that I have this PDF file opened up in the desktop version of the ILovePDF right here. So if you were to go around over here onto the edit menu, here you can see that there's different options. For example, if I were to click and drag this out, I can go ahead and go to edit and copy this out. And then I can go ahead and then paste this wherever I want. Apart from that, if I were to go to edit, I can go around onto select page and it will select out the content of that particular page. For example, I can go around over here and select out all right here. That selects out everything. But if you were to go around onto select page, then this is what you have, as you can see. Apart from that, you can go ahead and then find right here. And if I were to go ahead and type in summary and press enter, it simply goes ahead and searches out for the word summary. You can go ahead and go for find next. So let's just go around and say proposal right here, just like this. So this is what you have. You can go ahead and say next right here, just like this to find next. Or you can go ahead and click on previous to find previous as well. Apart from that, you simply have the find previous option right here as well. So that is basically the edit menu options inside of ILovePDF that you can use. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.